Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks quick unboxing and review of the Luibor case for Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so if you are subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks and you have already seen our unboxing and setup videos for the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G, thanks for watching. And we're going to be following up that video with some accessories, some review videos, and more importantly, we'll be doing our long-term review around about the beginning of January. But for now, let's focus on this case that I purchased on Amazon for the Mi 10T Pro 5G. This lovely mirror face, or mirror back of the device, is lovely, but as with most glass things, it's prone to shattering, despite being covered in Gorilla Glass. So I purchased this black TPU case on Amazon to see how it protects the device. So I'm going to put the smartphone into the case simply by starting off on the side with the buttons, and we can see that there's a decent cutout for that power on fingerprint scanner button. There is a decent raised volume rocker button on the case, which means that you can control your volume with the buttons quite well. And as we can see, there's no stickiness here, it just works, which is good to see. Sometimes that's one of the issues with this type of case. On the bottom right hand side of the case, there is also a lanyard hole. So if you're one of those people who likes wearing their smartphone on a lanyard, that's an option. There isn't one on the left hand side. There's no features apart from the sort of ribbing on the TPU case on the left hand side of this case for the Mi 10T Pro 5G. At the top we have all the cutouts we'd expect. There's one for a microphone, one for the secondary microphone, and one for the infrared blaster. And at the bottom there is a cutout for the microphone, speaker grill, and USB Type-C port. So everything is as it should be. Now, in terms of screen, nothing to shout out about here. The case doesn't cover the screen, it uses the bezel space well. It's relatively firm, though there is a bit of give in the middle at the sides. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it is there. And if we turn the device over with the case on, you can see that that camera module has a little bit of a lip above it. It's not a lot, but it is there, which means that you will protect that camera module when putting your device face down on a surface. But it's not a very big one, and it just covers the edges. So if there's anything jaggy on the surface you're putting it down on, you do risk damaging that camera module. Be aware of that. But apart from that, it's a nice case, seems to do the job. It feels good in the hand, and it's not very slippy. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing and review of this Luibor case that we purchased on Amazon for the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.